Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, all Potterheads assemble, all Potterheads assemble. We are going to be having the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter, and to celebrate that, HBO Max is doing like a reunion of sorts, I'm guessing, like how the Friends reunion thing happened. So this is Return to Hogwarts. I'm going to be reacting to the official trailer. I'm very, very happy. I love the entire Harry Potter movies cast, and the books are very special to me because Harry Potter books are the one which got me into the habit of reading, which made me fall in love with basically reading novels, reading fiction, made me fall in love with the world of fantasy, super fantasy, supernatural kind of world, magic. So there are many things. Harry Potter has played a huge role in my school life because it was one of the best escapes. Reading Harry Potter books was one of the best escapes I had. And when the movies dropped, it was like bolte na in Hindi, sone pe suhaga. So it was like that because I felt, having read the books, I felt that the movies did a very fair job in capturing that entire essence of magic and of Hogwarts. So yes, let's watch the trailer. I'm really, really excited because I think in India we're gonna watch it on Amazon Prime Video. That's what I know. I could be wrong. Let me know. I think I read that somewhere. Okay, let's watch the trailer.
Think of that powerful memory.
Oh wow. Platform 9 3/4.
Happiest you can remember.
It feels like no time has passed and loads of time has passed.
I had the biggest crush on Tom
Sit down
Felton.
with everyone and reminisce.
The thing that scared me the most was the implication that the most meaningful thing in our life was done. And there's something so joyous about seeing everyone and be like, it wasn't though.
One of the highlights of my part was when I had to pretend to be Hermione, pretending to be Bellatrix.
I don't like to be kept waiting.
I've still got the teeth, actually. I'll put them in if you want.
My sister has children who are then around 10, 11, 12. And I said, Martha, I don't know about this Voldemort. What? You're being asked to play Voldemort? You've got to do it!
I wouldn't be the person I am without so many people here.
It's a very overwhelming thing because I've watched you grow up and I've seen kind of every stage of your life.
When things get really dark and times are really hard, there's something about Harry Potter that makes life richer.
It's a strong bond that we'll always have. We're family and we will always be part of each other's life.
Okay, I'm totally missing Alan Rickman here. Snape. Wow. Oh man. Of course I'm watching it. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. Wow. Which is your favorite Harry Potter novel and favorite Harry Potter film? Because, those could be different. Let me stop this. Oh, this is again, it's going to be very emotional for me. Like, it's Harry Potter is, yes, very, very integral part of my childhood, very, very integral part of my school life, both the books as well as the movies. And like I said, if you meet my best friends and all of that, they know how big of a fan of Harry Potter I am. And I had the biggest crush on Tom Felton. Like I used to, because we had the dial-up internet at that point of time, right? We had the dial-up internet, and I used to literally download Harry Potter posters for the computer desktop, and I used to collect, like save on my computer, all Tom Felton's photographs. Like really, I had I had the biggest crush on him. Like I think I still do. I have a crush on Tom Felton. But yeah, like Draco Malfoy fascinated me, and the fact that I think Tom was the one who really made me fall in love with Draco Malfoy. Like I said, you know what? He's just playing the role with so much finesse that I am literally getting attracted towards Draco Malfoy here. and all my friends used to love like Daniel, and they were fans of Daniel. I am also a fan of Daniel, but I think my affinity towards Tom was very very high. But this just seeing this makes me so happy. So they're gonna go back to, I think they've made sort of like the sets and stuff like that where you see where they used to have their food in the dining area, so they're gonna meet there. They're going to talk to each other about the time that they had while shooting. We're going to probably see a lot of behind the scenes also, and it's basically reminiscing the movies. I'm excited to watch it, and I will definitely be watching it. Like, this is like a treat for me, for all the Potterheads. So for me, my favorite Harry Potter novel is the third one, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. That is my all-time. I think I have read that novel, I think 5 to 6 times alone. It is so engaging, and the twist and the turns, like, my favorite part is when Sirius Black's relationship with Harry gets revealed. I was looking at my novel like this. I said, no, I am reading it wrong. This is not true. This is not true. So I love the third book. It's my all-time favorite Harry Potter book. In terms of film, I think for films, I think Goblet of Fire is a film that I've watched the most. I really like Goblet of Fire, and the reason for that is because it was very fascinating to see the tournaments, because when I was reading the novel Goblet of Fire, I was imagining how epic and how big the tournaments could be. And when I saw that in the movies live and how it was happening, it completely satisfied my imagination. Like, what I had thought it to be while reading the novel, it exactly looked like that. So I think in terms of movie, I love Goblet of Fire the most. Like, I have watched it the most. In fact, Chamber of Secrets is also good, but I think the fourth movie is the one that I watched the most. So loved it, loved the trailer. Full nostalgia, like full nostalgia, guys. I want to know your thoughts. I want to know your thoughts, your memories of Harry Potter. I would love to read them in the comments. And yes, I'm tearing up a bit. I'm feeling very emotional. So yeah, that was the reaction to the official trailer of 20th anniversary of Harry Potter Return to Hogwarts, specifically the movies. So yeah, my God, 2 decades have passed. Can you believe? No, like I said, this is for me specifically, who has literally grown up reading the novels and watching the movies. This is special for me. This is extremely special for me. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. I will end it here, and I will see you soon now on my next video. Bye.